Bennett Pierce.
Saan tayo kakain? Ayun, burger. Ikaw pare?
Kahit saan ako. Problema sa akin na kahit nga tubig lang ako, wala problema.
Gusto mo ba pare? Ramen? Sabaw?
Hindi, kahit saan. Wala problema.
Wicked pa.
Saan? KFC? Ano, magki-KFC na tayo? O grocery muna? Dito na tayo tumawid.
Ito tao yun eh.
Countdown. Uy, Ate B! How are you?
Good. I waited
Where are you
for
going?
my friend outside.
You
I'm
going?
walking, yeah.
Ay, just walking. Oh.
Yeah. And I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Yeah. Oh my.
Don't walk when you're eating. You get hungry or always. This is my friend B from Vietnam.
Yeah.
She's the son of the king and the queen of Vietnam.
Oh my God.
That's why his name is King Kong. Very good.
Good.
Hey, good. We're going back already because
Yeah.
1:30 is back on board.
Yeah. I'm waiting. One on board.
Yeah.
One on board. I'm waiting for my friend from
Who?
Western.
Who?
Yeah.
I think their ship just arrived eh.
Same dock with us, but
Same dock?
I cannot go there because they prevent the way on the dock.
Why? They saw you?
Yeah, they
They
said
block.
no, don't walk in here.
Ah.
Yeah, I'm talking. The girl at Kenway told me she picked
Maybe
up
she
the
didn't.
short
Maybe she didn't go out.
No,
Your friend.
She will.
She will.
Yeah.
But it's already 12 o'clock eh. How can she go out?
Our ship dock at 12.
Ah.
Yeah, you got that.
So they just arrived.
Yes, the reason why I don't meet her.
Yeah.
See you.
You can still wait.
I gotta come back, no worries.
Okay.
You can still wait 1 o'clock. We bring your luggage here, no? Okay. May pila na oh. Napambas eh. Pwede nga natin lakarin, gusto niyo eh. Kaya lang mapapagod tayo. Oh. Nice plan. It's good there's no rain today, no?
Yeah, no eat.
The last time I saw you, it's raining.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Haba ng pila. Blockbuster. sa dagat.
Yun.
Wala eh. IPM eh. Yeah.
Dito rin tayo pumila kanina eh. Yan, oh.
Yes. Thank you.
For the rest of your life. Thank you.
Diretso na ba kayo? Punta lang ako dito saglit. Kumustahin ko lang si Lolo. Ito guys yung popular dito sa Napier, yung mga classic cars nila. Pag nakadak kami dito, lagi nila dinadala to. Yan, mga classic cars. Yan. Shell, Morris, ito Buick oh. may group sila kasi dito sa Napier na mga nagre-restore ng ganito. Ayan. Nice car. Shell. Ang gasoline tank nila. Tanker nila ng araw. May bear pa oh. Chevrolet. Ito Buick. So if you're around Napier, ito yung makikita nyo rin sa mga classic cars nila. Ayan. Gas. Yeah, pwede kayo magpa-picture sa kanila. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. What's your name? Alistair and Paul. I'm Rizaldi. I'm from the Philippines. Nice meeting you guys. Ride safe and God bless.